In this instructional video, we'll demonstrate the use of Striim to integrate and merge data from various sources. The application also interacts with the REST API to fetch weather information, consolidate the gathered data, and ultimately store it in BigQuery. First, we extract sample customer data from a SQL Server database table named customer. Following that, we will gather city information from a MySQL database table named city_zip. Finally, we capture event data from a Kafka topic in JSON format. Subsequently, we will combine all the sources through a continuous query component. As depicted, we are capturing data from Kafka and joining it with our city_zip table using a common identifier. Additionally, we are joining the customer database based on the same identifier. In this step, we execute a get command to retrieve weather information based on the zip code obtained from our city_zip database table. Next, we will collect the necessary information from the REST API weather call within a new continuous query component. We will join our initial data captures with the additional REST API weather information and write the comprehensive data record into a BigQuery table named city_customer_weather. Prior to deploying the application, we will verify that the BigQuery target table is empty. We will proceed to deploy start and preview the data before the final write operation into BigQuery. With the application in a running state, we will publish a few JSON objects into the Kafka topic. We can observe Striim capturing the data in real time and subsequently writing it to BigQuery. Additionally, we can validate the count of rows read and the count of rows written into BigQuery using Striim's monitoring features. We can also monitor the end-to-end latency, measuring the time taken from the initial row read to the final record being written into BigQuery. In this video, you have seen an application with multiple sources that interacts with a REST API to ultimately store the data in BigQuery in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.